Today we are making Naan Khatai, and this is basically Indian biscuits, Indian cookies you can call it. This one is made up of wheat atta, and we put 125 grams of wheat atta, 25 grams of besan, and 25 grams of semolina, which is uh, very fine suji rava, and all these flours are mixed together properly. In this, since it is sweet, we put sugar, which is powdered sugar, and the amount is around 100 grams. And apart from this, we also add half 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So when we take all these attas in a bowl and mix everything together properly, in this we add 1 spoon of elaichi, which is powdered or just crushed. After mixing everything together, the ghee, almost 100 grams of ghee we take for this process, and the ghee is melted and little warm when you are kneading the dough. So once we should not be putting the ghee at one go in the flour. It has to be put slowly in small portions. After kneading the flour, again you see how much is required, so that at the end of the entire process of kneading, you should be in a position to make small dough balls. Once the dough is kneaded, it's important to keep the dough for resting for almost 10 minutes. Once after 10 minutes, you have to roll small dough balls between your palms, and with a depression in between, so that you can put your dry fruit in that. And also this depression will help the proper baking of the cookies. Once all the cookies are shaped, then this is ready to be baked at around 180 degrees for 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how your oven is getting heated. And after 10 minutes or 10 to 20 minutes, when the biscuits cookies are ready, you have to move it out and keep it for cooling for 10 to 15 minutes before you can touch it.